The MOOG K6541 front-lower ball joint is a heavy-duty replacement that restores tight, precise steering on Chevrolet Silverado 1500 trucks. Its metal-on-metal internal bearing design, combined with a greasable socket, helps minimize friction and extend service life under demanding use. The heat-treated ball stud is engineered to meet or exceed original equipment resisting premature wear and fatigue from rough roads and towing. A well-sealed protective boot and boot shield keep out dirt and moisture, which goes a long way toward preventing corrosion and sloppy steering feel over time. The built-in preload washer maintains consistent tension in the joint as it wears, so you are less likely to notice clunks or looseness between service intervals. Machined to tight tolerances, this ball joint usually presses in cleanly and aligns easily, making it a straightforward install for do-it-yourself owners and professional technicians alike.